So, good day po sir. I'm Anthony Lawrence Visaya po and here to answer your questions in regards to Buddhist ethics. So, first question. The first question is, what are the marks of reality in Buddhism? So, there are three marks of reality in Buddhism. So, the first one po ay anicca or impermanence, which means na nothing lasts forever. Simple as that po. Yun na po yun. Na people change and our feelings po, example din po yung feelings natin, they come and go. So, talagang walang nagtatagal po yun. So, next po ay suffering or dukkha, na life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. Na ang suffering daw po, it can be physical pain, sadness, or just general feeling of dissatisfaction. And last po ay ang anatta or not self or no soul, na there's no permanent, wala daw pong permanente. Nila po yun, na sabi din doon po sa nabasa ko or na-research ay we're more like a flowing river. Tayo daw po ay flowing river na of experiences and thoughts, hindi daw po tayo sa solid na bagay. Second question po is, what are the truths according to Buddhist ethics? So, the truths in Buddhist ethics po is there are 4 truths that Buddha realized about life. So, the first truth is the truth of suffering or, yun nga po, as said before, dukkha. Yun po ay, yun nga, as explained before po is, the suffering is a reality of that we all face. So, yun po. So, the second is the truth of the cause of suffering. The truth of the cause of suffering or samudaya. So, it is yun po is carving and clinging to things. Mapatao po yan, mga pabagay, or even feelings, na maganda feelings. Ito po yung root ng suffering, na gusto nating magstay the same, but hindi natin kaya. And yung pag-gap between yung desire and reality causes us pain. Yun po yun. And next po is the truth of the end of the truth of the end of suffering. Yun po, or nirodha. There is a way out of this cycle daw po of suffering. Hindi siya about getting everything you want, but letting go of attachment. Huwag po basta bumitaw. Yan. So po ay the truth of the path to the end of suffering. Medyo mahaba po, or maga. This is the Noble Eightfold Path. Yun daw po yun. An 8-step guide to living a life free from suffering. Ito po, nag-involve po ito ng kagaya ng mga bagay na mindfulness, meditation, right action, and basically po being a good person. Yun lang po yun. So, for the third question, is suffering a truth according to Buddhism? So, suffering as a truth? Absolutely po, according to Buddhism. It is a first noble truth. The Buddha wasn't saying life is all misery naman po. But that even good things come with an expiration date. May katapusan po lahat ng good things. Na-attach tayo, nagbabago mga bagay, at yun, suffering. For question number 4 po, how to alleviate suffering? Let's say po, alleviate suffering. The Noble Eightfold Path is your best friend daw po dito. Long-term practice, but through meditation, mindfulness, and letting go of desires, matututo kang mag-accept ng pagbabago at to stop clinging to things that na focus sa'yo ng pain. It's about finding peace within yourself at hindi naghahabol sa external happiness. So, the last question is, what is karma according to Buddhism? Karma, this is often simplified as what goes around comes around. Pero it's a bit deeper than that. Karma refers to the actions we take either intentionally or unintentionally, and yung mga consequences that follow it. Good deeds leads to good results or positive results, and bad deeds leads to negative ones. Hindi siya punishment system, but a natural law of cause and effect. The key thing is that karma isn't set in stone. Hindi siya nandun agad. By following the 8 noble paths, pwede mo kang gumawa ng positive result or positive karma at maka-break free ka from negative cycles.